that this chapter is one of the chapter which you can use anywhere when you are using your subjectives, जहाँ आप लोगों को अपना article लिखना है या फिर you want to write your speech, you can add on the datas from this particular chapter. The chapter has so many datas. It is related to something which we normally have the speech extempos or sometimes a debate or even article writing, because it the chapter itself is an excerpt. ये छोटा सा एक आर्टिकल था जो न्यूज़पेपर में पब्लिश हुआ था, ये उसका ही एक हिस्सा है. And it is written by Nani Palkhiwala. we will we will be doing it later on, and it is about the irrevocable repair that we have done to the environment. And the name of the chapter is The Ailing Planet. ये चैप्टर जो है, इट इज अबाउट, इट स्टार्ट्स, एलिंग का मतलब क्या होता है? बीमार, सिक, इल, एंड द प्लैनेट इज द अर्थ. सो द चैप्टर स्टार्ट्स विद a movement that started in 1972, means around 50 years from now it started. कहते हैं कि उससे पहले, बिफोर दैट, पीपल weren't aware about the harm that they were doing to the mother earth, because we have always felt that we are dominant on this earth. हम तो इस earth पर dominant है, ये earth हमारा अपना है, and we can manipulate, we can exploit it the way we want. But after 1972 there was a change in the perceptions of the people. लोगों में एक चेंज आ गया. It is said that in 1972 there was a movement which is also called as a green movement, and it started somewhere in New Zealand, जहां लोगों ने इस बात को समझने की कोशिश की कि now the earth is not to be treated like something we are using, but we have to think that this earth is part of us. We need a holistic approach towards this earth. अगर अर्थ रहेगा तो हम रहेंगे तो अर्थ रहेगा. We need to understand this relationship. The ecological balance that was becoming deteriorating day by day. This was a concept, this was a perception in fact. So he says that the planet Earth itself is a living being. जैसे हमें दर्द होता है, हमें कुछ चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होती है. we feel hungry, we feel thirsty, we feel pain. The earth also has all those symptoms. But we are unable to find out those symptoms. हम उन symptoms को देख नहीं पा रहे हैं. The main problem is हम उन symptoms को देख नहीं पा रहे हैं. And slowly and steadily this earth's health is deteriorating. और धीरे 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 अर्थ का जो तबीयत है वो खराब हो रही है. He says that the time is that we all need to understand that the earth is in its declining status, and we need to adopt sustainability. हम लोगों ने 10th में भी किया था the definition of sustainable development. The same thing will come here. What is sustainable development? The development which is made for the future, for the present, without compromising for the future. We need to understand that we cannot exploit the earth as our property. फिर वो एक he tells us about a very funny, you can say a humorous incident, that इन लुसाका, जाम्बिया, जाम्बिया में एक जू है, एंड इन दैट जू व्हेन यू गो, it is written that world's most dangerous animal, and out of curiosity when you enter, वहां पर बड़े बड़े शीशे रखे हुए हैं. There are lots of mirrors which signify that we are the most dangerous animals on this world. We are the one who are deteriorating this earth. The earth is not our dominance, but it is our partner. अर्थ में शायद हम लोगों ने कुछ एनिमल्स, कुछ प्लांट्स को कैटलॉग किया है. हाँ, इसको मक्खी बोलते हैं, इसको ये बोलते हैं, इसको ये बोलते हैं. बट देर आर मिलियंस ऑफ एनिमल स्पीशीज, मिलियंस ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स, मिलियंस ऑफ प्लांट्स विच हैव नॉट बीन कैटलॉग, जिनको अभी हमने नाम नहीं दिया है. एंड येट देयर सर्वाइवल इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. उनका सर्वाइवल भी उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आप लोगों को याद होगा, आप लोगों ने 6th या 7th में पढ़ा होगा, दैट अर्थवॉर्म, द वेरी माइन्यूट, एक वॉर्म, एक कीड़ा विच लिव्स इन दी सॉइल, उसका प्रेजेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट प्रोड्यूसेस नाइट्रोजन. इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द सॉइल. इमेजिन, जब हम मिट्टी को खत्म कर देंगे तो ना, जब अर्थवॉर्म नहीं होगा तो मिट्टी नहीं होगी, मिट्टी नहीं होगी तो पेड़ नहीं होंगे, पेड़ नहीं होंगे तो हम कैसे रहेंगे? So slowly, and we need to understand that we are partner in the partnership with the earth, not the masters. Here he brings about a report. वर्ल्ड में मतलब कि देर आर मेनी रिपोर्ट्स, और उनमें से एक रिपोर्ट ऐसा होता है जो कि बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट माना जाता है. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट रिपोर्ट, slowly and steadily we are deteriorating the health of the earth. धीरे 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 जो लैंड्स हैं, सारी चीजें हैं, हम उनको जो है खत्म कर रहे हैं. We are bringing this earth as a scorched planet. Now he says, जो अर्थ है, अर्थ में कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज है, इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन है. And for this what we do is, we are dependent on the earth's 4 biological components. And those 4 components are the forest, the agriculture, the cropland, the जो forest, fisheries, मतलब कि जो सॉइल है, लैंड है, वाटर है, जिनको हम रिसोर्सेज बोलते हैं, दे आर द 4 बायोलॉजिकल प्रिंसिपल्स, एंड दे आर द वन विच आर मेकिंग द वर्ल्ड डेवलप्ड इकोनॉमिकली. ये इकोनॉमिकली हमारे डेवलपमेंट को हेल्प करते हैं. बट ड्यू टू द ग्रीड, people are exploiting them. The cropland, the grasslands are becoming vanished. धीरे धीरे वो खत्म हो चुके हैं. We don't know. Overpopulation, over agriculture, soil हमारा खत्म. ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ द पैस्चरल लैंड्स, तो ग्रास लैंड्स हमारे जो है वो बैरन बनते जा रहे हैं. फिशरीज, बिकॉज वी आर लिविंग इन अ प्रोटीन कॉन्शियस एरिया, हम लोग प्रोटीन कॉन्शियस हैं, तो फिश को जो है मार दिया जाता है. दे आर यूज फॉर फूड एज वेल एज फॉर मेडिसिन एज वेल एज फॉर मेनी अदर कमर्शियल पर्पसेस. So they are being depleted. And forest forest is used as timber, forest is used for fuel, and he has given certain examples कि कई कई जगहों पर फ्यूल यूज करते हैं, इसीलिए फॉरेस्ट जो है फ्यूल से मतलब कि सब्जी से ज़्यादा फ्यूल का कॉस्ट है. अभी इंडिया में देख लो, पेट्रोल, गैस सिलेंडर, and this is because we are not able to sustain them. फिर he comes to India. He says in India जो आपका ऑफिशियल फिगर है, जो आपका ऑफिशियल फिगर है उससे ज्यादा जो है कटिंग होती है फॉरेस्ट की. इवन ऑफिशियली इट इज शोन दैट इट इज 2 acres per minute, बट इट इज मतलब उल्टा है, इट इज डबल द रेट. इवन दो जो ऑफिशियल फिगर दिखाता है, बट वी आर वेरी फार अवे, हम उससे ज़्यादा काट चुके हैं. एंड देन ही मेक्स अ वेरी सरकास्टिक कॉमेंट, बहुत अच्छा कॉमेंट और मुझे बहुत अच्छा भी लगता है. पर्सनली आई लाइक दैट कॉमेंट, दैट आर्टिकल 48A of the Indian Constitution it says that in India the rules are made, but they are made according to 48A. Every मतलब कि it is the duty of the state मतलब country to protect the flora and fauna of its state. But वो कहता है in India rules are hardly followed. उसके लिए he has also made this comment that child labor, डाउरी सिस्टम, इनको भी तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने अबॉलिश कर रखा है, बट हम लोग फिर भी उसको शेमलेसली फॉलो तो करते हैं. हम तो खुश होते हैं इंडिया में, मैंने रूल तोड़ा. दिल्ली इज़ वेरी फेमस कि भाई दिल्ली में रहते हो, ओके, दिल्ली कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पर लोग कहते तो मेरे बाप को नहीं जानता. आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग अ लॉ वी विल से मेरे बाप को नहीं जानता. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी दैट वी boast about our money. We never bother that we have committed a crime. That's a उसने इंडिया को लेकर this comment has been made that in India we hardly follow. हम तो रूल्स बनाते ही उसे ब्रेक करने के लिए. There are so many rules. How many of us are following? How many of us are following? Nobody. So he says that these are the reasons due to which one by one the earth is depleting. Then he comes to the next factor and he says, एक तो ओवर पॉपुलेशन, ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, ये तो है. एक और जो रीजन है वो है पॉपुलेशन. फॉर दिस ही सेज दैट पॉपुलेशन, मोर डिमांड, मोर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन. एंड फॉर दैट ही सेज अगर इंसान होता है, सॉरी कैटल होते हैं, तो हम उनको ज़बरदस्ती इंजेक्शन लगा के उन्हें बच्चे पैदा करने से मना कर सकते. बट हाउ कैन वी फोर्स इट पीपल? दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट डेवलपमेंट का जो मीनिंग है वो है एजुकेशन एंड हेल्थ. लेस पॉपुलेशन, मोर एजुकेशन. बट वी डोंट फॉलो. इन इंडिया हम लोगों को लगता है ज़्यादा बच्चे होंगे तो ज़्यादा पैसे आएंगे. इट्स वेरी कॉमन. I remember this particular incident from my own institute when I was there. The one lady who used to come to pick the garbage. तो एक्चुअली शी इज़ अ माइग्रेंट फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश, लेकिन मेरी उससे हमेशा ही झगड़ा चलता रहता था. एंड बिलीव मी, मेरा उससे झगड़ा ही चलता था. आई यूज टू स्क्रीम एट हर बिकॉज she would she would not come for 2 or 3 days. Then one day suddenly she will send her children. पहले पहले एक दो बार उसके बच्चे नीचे आए. And then they asked me in a, yeah, he asked me, they would ask me in a very, अजीब से टोन. तो आई यूज टू टेल देम. एंड शी हैड अ पॉपुलेशन ऑफ अराउंड 10 or 11 चिल्ड्रन. सबसे बड़ी बेटी उनकी मतलब बेटा शादीशुदा, और सबसे छोटा बच्चा 6 महीने का. बिकॉज वी थिंक मोर पॉपुलेशन तो सब लोग अर्न करेंगे, बट अर्न तो तब करेंगे ना जब वो दे विल बी हैविंग द स्किल्स, व्हेन दे वुड बी एजुकेटेड. एंड वी फॉरगेट दैट. In India, we feel more children, more earning, but it is more children without earning. That will lead to the wastage of human resource. And that is why he says we need to make a decision. We want to live with comfort, or we want to live in perpetuity of poverty. ये हमारे ऊपर है. Then he goes to the next factor, industrialization. इंडस्ट्रीज के होने की वजह से the forests are being cut, the natural environment is being depleted. Though now there is a new era of responsibility, means the people are now understanding that it is our responsibility to nurture the nature as well. जैसे उसने एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है that person had claimed himself to be the CEO of company, और उसने CEO का डेफिनेशन क्या दिया? चीफ एनवायरनमेंट ऑफिसर. He says that every industry need to take up this responsibility कि अगर वो natural resource को deplete करता है तो he needs to replenish it with some other means. And he ends up this chapter with 2 quotations, एक लेस्टर ब्राउन और एक मार्गरेट थैचर का. Margaret Thatcher was the first woman prime minister of Britain, and she said that we all are tenants. हम लोग सब यहाँ पर एक किराएदार हैं, and we need to pay the rent by looking after this earth. And the Lester Brown is that you would be reading. That is the last one. He says that we have not inherited this earth from our forefathers, but we have borrowed it from our future generations. Means we need to return it back. ये हमें विरासत में नहीं मिला है कि हम इसे जैसा चाहे वैसा यूज करें, but we have got it as a tenant, as a lease, and we need to return it back with respect. So that's the chapter what we call as the ailing planet. This is the chapter written by Nani Palkhiwala. It is an article, as I said. It was published in the Indian Express. Indian Express is a newspaper on 24 November 1994 regarding the declining health of the earth. One cannot recall any movement in world history which has gripped the imagination of the entire human race so completely and so rapidly as the green movement which started 25 years ago. Actually, this chapter was written in that period, that is around 97, but now it is already around for 50 years. The world's first nationwide Green Party was founded in New Zealand. Since then, the movement has not looked back. And the Green Movement is about the holistic view of our earth. We have shifted one hopes irrevocably. Irrevocably मतलब which cannot be, जिससे हम पीछे नहीं हटेंगे, will not move back. From the mechanist view means पहले हम क्या थे? We were exploiting the earth, a mechanical way, to a holistic and ecological view of the world. And now we are looking it into the ecological view. Holistic means overall. It is a shift in human perceptions as revolutionary as that introduced by Copernicus, who taught mankind in the 16th century that the earth and other planets revolved around the sun. मतलब ये उस तरीके का एक revolution है, एक झटका है, which will go on for years now. For the first time in human history, there is a growing worldwide consciousness that the earth itself is a living organism, an enormous being of which we are parts. यहाँ पर अगर आपसे पूछा जाए which we are parts, it is alliteration. And earth itself as a living being is personification, because earth is not a living being, but he says he has personified that it also has certain needs, some metabolic needs, जैसे हमारे अपने needs हैं, vital processes which needs to be respected and preserved. The earth's vital signs मतलब जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो क्या होता है? We have headache, we have cold, we have fever. So these are the symptoms. So these are the symptoms that the patient is in declining health. और यहाँ जो patient है, it is the earth. We have begun to realize our ethical obligations, means हमारी जो moral responsibility है, that we are good stewards. Stewards मतलब the one who takes a ship, and responsible trustees of the legacy to future generation. हम लोग trustees हैं, मतलब we have to look after this earth. We are not the owners of the earth, and we have to pass this legacy to the future generation. We have to look after this earth. We have to preserve it, and we have to give it to the future generation. The concept of sustainable development was popularized in 87 by the World Commission on Environment and Development. ये आप लोग याद रखना ईयर को भी, and जो World Commission on Environment and Development है, क्योंकि this may be as a question you may be asked. In its report, it defined the idea as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs, without stripping the natural world of resources future generations would need. हमें जो है बिना without stripping the natural world of resources मतलब उनसे वो चीजें छीननी नहीं है जो आगे generations को need है. We have to preserve them for them, but we need to use it for ourselves also. हमें खुद के लिए भी यूज करना है और उनको भी देना है. Now it is not the time when I can say that we can go back to the bygone era. मैं अपने बच्चों को देखूं कि वो लोग नीचे गाना गाते हुए जा रहे हैं जब दिल ही टूट गया, sitting on a bullock cart, दुनिया बनाने वाले. I cannot say that. We have to use the development, but the development should be sustained. We need to protect. जहां हमें यूज करना करें, जहां यूज नहीं करना वहां हम प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं. There are alternatives. We can go for them. In the zoo at Lusaka, Zambia. This is what I said. There is a cage where the notice reads the world's most dangerous animal. Inside the cage, there is no animal but a mirror where you see yourself. Thanks to the efforts of a number of agencies in different countries. This is what you call as sarcasm. A sarcastic comment he has made that how inhumane we are. हम लोग कितने inhumane हैं. It's a sarcasm. The The mirror is a symbolism. The mirror here is a symbolism क्योंकि वो symbolize कर रहा है that we are the one who are actually responsible for the decline of the earth's health. A new awareness has now dawned upon the most dangerous animal in the world. Means हम पर अब लोग aware हो गए हैं. He has realized the wisdom of shifting from a system based on domination to one based on partnership. Means till now we all were dominating the world, the earth. We thought that the earth is our property, but now we are understanding that we are partners. Scientists have catalogued about 1.4 million living species. मतलब इनके नाम तो हम जानते हैं. With which mankind shares the earth. यहाँ पर if we see, we can also say alliteration, we can also say assonance. Living million में आई है, living में आई है, species में आई है, with which mankind जो है इसमें आई है. So we can also say that it is assonance. Assonance मतलब when vowels are repeated in a line. और अगर हम with which बोलते हैं तो that would come under alliteration. Shares the earth. Estimates vary widely as regards the still uncatalogued living species. Biologists reckon that about 3 to 100 million other living species still languish. मतलब अभी ये भी है जो in ignominious darkness means we still don't know. We don't know their name. We don't know. One of the early international commissions which dealt inter alia with the question of ecology and environment was a Brand Commission. As I said, beta, Brand Commission is one of the most important commission we have. मतलब वो every मतलब whenever they are producing, they tell about the way what is happening in the earth क्योंकि ये environment को deal करता है. We also had many earth summits also. The first summit was in 92 only. आपका जो है पहला समिट आपका 92 में ही हुआ था. That is the Earth Summit. उसके बाद आपके बहुत सारे समिट्स हुए हैं. इंटर एलिया का मतलब हो जाता among other things, which dealt inter alia means among other things, बाकी चीजों के बीच में, which had a distinguished Indian as one of its member, Mr. L.K. Jha. और जो फर्स्ट रिपोर्ट था that raised this question, ये भी important है. Are we to leave our successors a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverished landscape and ailing environment? क्या हम आने वाले जो हमारे सक्सेसर्स एंड जनरेशन है, क्या हम उनको एक ऐसा प्लैनेट देंगे जो सिर्फ where there would be only deserts, where there would be impoverished means without any trees and an ailing environment, pollution, pandemic, global warming? Mr. Lester R. Brown, in his thoughtful book, The Global Economic Prospect, kindly also underline this. This is also important. The name of the book. The name of the book and written by Lester Brown. points out that the earth principal biological systems are four. ये भी आपका आएगा, और ये पहले जब सब्जेक्टिव में आता था, क्योंकि अब ये सब्जेक्टिव में आएगा सेकेंड टर्म में, तो ये क्वेश्चन 6 मार्कर में आता है. This comes as 6 marker in subjective. Fisheries, forest, grasslands and croplands. मतलब ये 4 है जिनकी वजह से हमारा जो अर्थ का जो इकोनॉमी है वो सरवाइव करता है. We are exploiting all these 4 and using it. And they form the foundation of the global economic system. In addition to supplying of food, these systems provide virtually all the raw materials for industry except minerals and petroleum derived synthetics. मिनरल्स और पेट्रोलियम से जो हम सिंथेटिक्स बनाते हैं वो तो हम मशीनों में बनाते हैं, बाकी सब आपका जो है हमें वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द अर्थ. इन लार्ज areas of the world, human claims on these systems are reaching an unsustainable level, a point where their productivity is being impaired. Matlab they are almost on the verge of extinction. When this happens, agar aisa hua to kya hoga? Fisheries collapse, forests disappear, grasslands are converted into barren wasteland and croplands deteriorate. Yani ki indirectly the earth is on its verge of deterioration. अगर फिशरीज नहीं रहेंगी, फॉरेस्ट खत्म हो जाएंगे, ग्रासलैंड्स आपके बैरन हो जाएंगे, तो कहाँ से एग्रीकल्चर आएगा, कहाँ से फ्यूल आएगा, कहाँ से क्रॉपलैंड नहीं होगा तो खाना आएगा. In a protein conscious and protein hungry world, overfishing is common every day. In poor countries, local forests are being decimated. Decimated मतलब कट करना. In order to procure firewood for cooking. In some places, firewood has become so expensive that what goes under the pot now costs more than what goes inside it. मतलब यहाँ पर इसका मतलब what goes under the pot मतलब for the fuel fire, and what goes inside मतलब जो सब्जियाँ जो बनाते हैं वो, यानी कि सब्जियों से ज़्यादा तो फ्यूल का दाम है, इतना कॉस्टली है. Since the tropical forest is in the world of Dr. Myers, the powerhouse of evolution, क्योंकि tropical forest में you will find all the species, but now they are all facing extinction because of the destruction. He calls it as a powerhouse of evolution, यानी कि अगर अर्थ का evolution हुआ था तो उन्हीं forest से हुआ था, but today they are on the verge of destruction. It has been well said that forests precede mankind. मतलब पहले फॉरेस्ट आते हैं फिर इंसान आता है, डेजर्ट्स फॉलो, और बस जब इंसान आया उसके बाद डेजर्ट्स आएंगे, क्योंकि हम तो धीरे धीरे सब चीज़ों को एक्सप्लॉइट कर देंगे. The world's ancient patrimony of tropical forest is now eroding. मतलब इतने सालों से जो एक उनका होल्ड था वो अब धीरे 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 खत्म होता जा रहा है at the rate of 40 to 50 million acres a year. And the use of dung for burning deprives the soil of an important natural fertilizers. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो डंग होता है उसको हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. इवन इन इंडिया ऑल्सो वी यूज टू, अभी तो कुछ सालों से आपका ये गैस वगैरह सिस्टम है. Earlier we used the cow dung. Even now also in many of the rural areas we are using the cow dung for burning. The World Bank estimates that a 5-fold increase in the rate of forest planting is needed to cope up with the expected fuel demand in the year 2000. मतलब जितना कटा है उससे 5 गुना हमें लगाना पड़ेगा if we want this earth to survive. James Peck, the president of the World Resources Institute, said the other day, we were saying that we are losing the forest at an acre a second, but it is much closer to acre a half to a second. मतलब 1 सेकेंड में हम 2 एकर्स खो रहे हैं, इतनी जल्दी काट रहे हैं हम. Now this is about India. Article 48A of the Constitution of India provides that the state shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. But according to the constitution, it is the duty of the government to look after the environment, the forest and its inhabitants. But what causes endless anguish is the fact that laws are never respected or enforced in India. जो मैंने भी आपको बताया. For instance, the constitution says casteism, untouchability, and bonded labor shall be abolished, but they flourish shamelessly even after 44 years of operation of the constitution. And that's a really ironical state of India. I really feel sometimes people, when I go to my, to my place, so they say, oh, you are Iyengar, okay, you are Brahmin, and I feel that what good I have done being a Brahmin. First of all, we need to be humans. Let us not divide ourselves as what we are to our birth. Labor, bonded labor, aaj bhi. Go to the village, even to the restaurants, you will find people employing. हम उन्हें कितना भी मना कर लें, क्या वो मान लेते हैं? No. And there are people who support, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या आती है कि there are people who support child labor. That's dowry system. We support it, but they flourish. A recent report of our Parliament's Estimates Committee has highlighted the near catastrophic मतलब विनाशकारी, destructive depletion of India's forest over last 4 decades. पिछले 4 decades से हमारा जो है deplete हो रहा है. India, according to reliable data, is losing its forest at the 3.7 million acres. Large areas officially designated as forest land, मतलब जिनको हम officially बोलते हैं कि ये forest land है, वो अब treeless है. और अगर हम सच में देखें, मतलब ये तो official data है, the actual loss of forest is estimated to be about 8 times the rate indicated by government statistics. अगर हम गवर्नमेंट स्टैटिस्टिक्स को ना बिलीव करके ओरिजिनल पे जाएं तो 3.7 की जगह 24.7. A 3-year study using satellites and aerial photography conducted by the UN warns that the environment has deteriorated so badly that it is critical in many of the 88 countries investigated. और ये जो ये वाला word लिखा ना बेटा, it is critical in many of the 88 countries investigated. It is consonants. It is consonants. The letter T is repeated. If you see that it is critical, many of the 88 countries investigated, the letter T is repeated. So you can say that here you have consonants. There can be no doubt that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of human society. Yes, we talk about India because India is the second largest populated country in the world. But population depletion is not a problem only to India. It took mankind more than 1,000,000 years to reach the first billion. मतलब मिलियन ईयर्स के बाद हम 1 बिलियन में आए थे. और आई थिंक इट वाज 2000 समथिंग जब हमने बड़ी खुशी खुशी टीवी में अनाउंस किया था कि इंडिया 1 बिलियन क्रॉस कर चुका है. टुडे इंडियाज पॉपुलेशन इज समवेयर अराउंड 1.3 बिलियन, विच इज प्लस ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका, साउथ अमेरिका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, इन सब को मिला के हम हैं. This was a population around 1800, but by the year 1900 a second billion was added, and the present world and the 20th century has added another 3.7. The present world estimated is around 5.7, but it is more than, because ये पुराना है. Every 4 days the world population increases by 1 million, यानी कि 10 lakhs. Fertility falls, alliteration. As income rise, education spreads and health improves. Thus, development is the best contraceptive. मतलब अगर हम अपने इनकम को राइज करेंगे, एजुकेशन और हेल्थ पर इंक्रीज करेंगे, इफ वी आर डेवलप्ड, दैट कैन स्टॉप, दैट इज द बेस्ट कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव, मतलब दैट इज द बेस्ट वे टू फाइट दिस पॉपुलेशन. कम पॉपुलेशन, ज़्यादा इनकम. But development itself may not be possible if the present increase in numbers continue. The rich get richer, the poor beget children, which condemns them to be remain poor. अमीर और गरीब के बीच में डिफरेंस तो है ही है. ऊपर से the poor believe in more children. More children does not mean more workers, merely more people without work. Alliteration. More children mean more worker, merely more people without work. Complete sentence. मतलब हम ये नहीं बोल सकते ज़्यादा बच्चे तो ज़्यादा काम मिलेगा. It is not suggested that human beings be treated like cattle and compulsorily sterilized. But there is no alternative to voluntary family planning without introducing an element of coercion. मतलब ज़बरदस्ती किए बिना हम लोगों को समझा नहीं पाते हैं. The choice is really between control of population and perpetuity of poverty. आप population control करना चाहते हो या और गरीबी में रहना चाहते हो. The population of India is 1.3 billion, more than the entire population of Africa and South America put together. No one familiar with the conditions in India would doubt that the hope of the people would die in their hungry hut pens unless population control is given topmost priority. For the मतलब जो लोग इंडिया को जानते हैं, they know that if we do not take the steps, इंडिया में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग जो हैं they would be below poverty line only. The steps have been taken yet we need more. For the first time in human history, we see a transcending concern. Means we are changing. The survival not just of the people but of the planet. Now we are understanding that it is not our survival. Planet rahega to hum. We are understanding this change. We have begun to take a holistic view of the very basis of our existence. The environmental problem does not necessarily signal our demise. हम नहीं खत्म होंगे, but it is our passport for the future. The emerging new world vision has ushered in the era of responsibility. अब हम समझ रहे हैं. It is a holistic view, an ecological view, seeing the world as an integrated whole rather than disassociated collection of part. पहले हम उसको अलग, forest को अलग, cropland को अलग समझते, but now we understand they all and we, हम लोग मिलकर we are part. The next factor he says is industries. Industry has a most crucial role to play in this new era of responsibility. What a transformation would be effected if more businessmen shared the view of chairman of DuPont, the very famous American company, Mr. Edgar S. Willett, who 5 years declared himself as the company's chief environmental officer. मतलब he himself voluntarily he took this step. और उनका कहना है कि जब तक कंपनीज खुद voluntarily ये स्टेप नहीं उठाएंगी कि they are going to protect the earth, तब तक कुछ नहीं होगा. Our continuous existence as a leading manufacturer requires that we excel in environmental performance. हमें धीरे धीरे जो है environment को भी जो है देखभाल करना है. Of all statements made by Margaret Thatcher during the years of her prime ministership, none has passed so decisively into the current coin of English usage as a felicitous word. Felicitous मतलब बहुत सुंदर. उन्होंने बहुत जगहों पर as a prime minister she has given many what you call as speeches. लेकिन ये जो स्पीच उन्होंने दिया है ये आपका ऐसा है which you can use. No generation has a freehold on this earth. मतलब these are very beautiful language. This is a very beautiful language. All we have is a life tenancy with full repairing lease. मतलब हमें जो है यहाँ पर we have to look after this earth as a part of our own body. हम जो है हमें ये अर्थ जो है फ्रीडम में नहीं मिला है. नो जनरेशन हैज अ फ्री होल्ड. हम लोग सिर्फ यहाँ एक टेनेंट्स हैं. एंड वी हैव विद अ फुल रिपेयरिंग लीज मतलब वी हैव टू गिव इट बैक by preserving it. In the words of Mr. Lester Brown, we have not inherited this earth from our forefathers, we have borrowed it from our children. Means हमने ये जो अर्थ है उसे हमने जो है we have not got it, हमें फ्री में नहीं मिला है, but we have to preserve it for our future development. That is, sustainability is more important. These what we call as articles and all these the quotes, these all you can use. You all can use it when you are writing your article writing.